there she goes.
Oh, she went under. Oh, where's the stingray? There it is.
Oh, mate.
You little superstar.
You are very cool. That's so brave. Are you the bravest girl?
Yeah.
Did you go
She's a
under?
proper little water baby. She's not. She don't mind. You don't have to go under though.
What's this? Ready? Steady. Let's go. Yes!
Oh, I love her even more now. Yeah, she's getting dog napped.
Yeah. What is this? Lovely.
I mean, disclaimer for everybody, I'm not really going to kidnap the dog.
Ready?
I do love her though, she's very sweet and very brave.
You are.
4 months old. Super little star.
Ready?
So hang on, let me do a little shake.
Steady.
Don't go off that way.
Too far? Is that too far? Should I get it? Should we go together? Ready? Steady. Let's go. I'll get it. Come on in. Let's go. What's this? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. That's it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it.
Oh, in the deep end.
Ah.
Back this way. That's it. Oh, you look superstar. She's amazing, isn't she? So good. She's like, oh, what else she got? Ooh.
Oh, that's a big one. That's right.
Oh, you can do it.
Let's go.
Yay!
Superb.
Oh, don't try and get the octopus as well.
Might do.
I don't think you can do it.
So I'll get the octopus.
Let Terry, yeah, you get it, please.
Yeah. Good girl.
Oh, she's like, I'm going to put this thing over here for later.